Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can add a WhatsApp chat to your WordPress website. So let's say you have a website and you want to let your visitors contact you by using WhatsApp. You can do that by adding a WhatsApp chat to your website. After watching this video, you will be able to add a WhatsApp chat like this. Anyone who visits your website can contact you just by clicking this icon. And once they click it, it will open your WhatsApp number, and now if the visitor type their message and send it, you will receive that message on your phone. Now if you want to reply to that message, you can simply click on it and then reply to your visitors. Okay, I'm Uzair from Build with Uzair, and let's add WhatsApp to your website. To add the WhatsApp chat to your website, we are going to do two steps. The first is to install a plugin in WordPress, and for that we have to log in into our WordPress website. Then click on plugin, then click on add new plugin, and here we will search for WhatsApp. Now we will install this one which says join chat. We will install this plugin. So for installation, simply we will click on this button which says install now. And then we will activate it. Once this is installed successfully, then we are going to add our detail in the plugin. So for this, we will click on settings. Here we can put our mobile phone number, here, and then simply we will click on save changes. Okay, now if we come here and refresh our page, we will be able to see after a few seconds this button pops up, and here this is our by default message. If someone click on this button, so it will open up a WhatsApp chat. Now let's go to the website backend. From here we can change this message like hi, and we can click on save changes. Now if we refresh our page and we click on this button, so you see our message is successfully changed. Okay, now if someone wants to open the WhatsApp chat in their computer, so for this we'll go back to our website dashboard and we will scroll down. Okay, so here we have two options for the desktop. One is the QR code. If we click on this option, so it will display a QR code which you can scan using your mobile phone, and then the visitor will contact you. The second one is open directly WhatsApp web. So let's enable this for now and let me save the changes. Now if I come here and I click on refresh, then I scroll down. If I click on the button and I click on open chat, so it will directly open WhatsApp and web. If I come here again and click on this option, now I'll click on save changes, and then I refresh this page. So now this button also display a QR code which will make, now this button will also open up the QR code which will be easy for a user to scan using their mobile phone, and they will be able to contact us. Simply I'll bring my mouse here, and as you can see this QR code works perfectly. So after scanning this, they will be able to contact you very easily. From here you can change the color, and also you can select the light or dark mode according to your choice. Also you can set the time according to your choice, after how many seconds the button will pop up. And once you are done with the changes, simply click on save changes and all of your changes will be live. Let me know if you face any kind of problem setting up WhatsApp chat in your website. I'll drop my personal phone number in the description. If you face any kind of problem, text me. I will love to help you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.